king, I win the king. All over name say hi to the king.
The ultimate pellet
do you
gun
want to know how to
tutorial.
master these? This is taking too long. Pellet guns! They're now on the surface, pellet guns don't look too strong, right? I mean, yeah, they break pillows, they shoot a single con thingy, whatever they are. But the more you get into it, they're actually really good. So, go ahead and put that on. So, here's everything you can do with pellet guns. First of all, the most obvious, double shooting. Yeah, you can do this, shoot, but you can double shoot by, if you grab your, wait, I want to take out grapplers for this because it's going to be really hard. So you can double shoot by, let's say you put the pellet gun in your left hand, grab your right hand, put it close to the pellet gun, then click the right trigger, your right controller trigger, and it double shoots. It shoots two. So double the knockback, double the everything. And now for probably like my favorite is the minigun trick. So if you place down 4 pellet guns, and then you can just spam them by doing this. And you can aim them to, it's broken strategy in Spleef. I showed it in my other Spleef video that I'm making, but yeah, and I have little aiming things here they can try to hit. So yeah, that's how you can minigun with pellet guns. And now let's talk about the flying aspect. Here's how you fly with pellet guns. So let's say you want to go forward just a little bit. Point the gun like right this to where, wait, hold on. If I eat the camera, then do this. Oh, it does show it. Okay, so you want to put it like this, so it's like covering your eye, and it'll send you forward a little bit. Now do that in both eyes, then you go forward. Now if you want to go up, aim it just a little bit up like that, and you go up. And if you do at a time, 2 at a time, you can go flying, and you can just repeat this process. And you can even go backwards. So backwards is pretty easy, just shoot yourself in the head. So that is pretty much how you can play with pellet guns. They're useful in like any game mode. You should always have at least like 1 pellet gun in a single bubble because they are really useful. And I would recommend buying them. I don't know where they are on the tech web because I'm too lazy to check. So bye bye.